I'm speaking from Lagos on the outskirts of Algarve, Portugal. Lagos is a popular destination for the travelers worldwide. Lagos is located on the southwest coast of the Algarve region of Portugal. Lagos is famous for its beautiful beaches surrounded by the natural beauty of historic monuments, streets, white buildings, and a wonderful nightlife with thousands of fishing boats. Sitting on the golden sandy beach of Lagos feels like a piece of the heaven on this Mother Earth. Lagos has a rich history dating back on the Paleolithic era. The area became one of the centers of trade and commerce in early 20th century when the world trade began to expand, which later became an impressive example of colonial architecture. But today, Lagos combines age-old traditions with modern conveniences, making it an iconic destination in Portugal and Europe. If you don't go on a trip on the Lagos Algrave, the whole trip will in vain. The first thing that will impress you on a trip to Lagos is its stunning beaches, golden sands, crystal clear waters, dramatic rock formations make these beaches one of the most impressive places in Europe. Praia da Ena and Praia da Marina are the examples of natural beauty in Lagos. Besides, the place has acquired historical glory through the well-preserved architecture, including the ancient city walls. In the center of the city, you will have a unique opportunity to spend the day in the historic old town with its narrow streets and traditional buildings. So, this place is at the top of choice of travelers. The Algarve region, mainly around Lagos, is known for its stunning natural beauty. You can enjoy rock formations, caves, hikings along the coastline in here. Here lies the golf paradise. The golf enthusiasts can tee off at the region's world-class golf courses, some close to the Lagos and some further away from the Lagos, with scenic views and some challenging holes for golf lovers. Besides, Lagos is famous for its water activities. Here, you can enjoy various water-based activities like boat trips and paddle boating. No one should miss the opportunity to explore the famous seacape Punta da Piedade. Dear viewers, I am right now in the Punta da Piedade. In 2022, we went to the Lagos Old Town. When we arrived, it was mainly the lunch time, so the city streets were so busy. Dear viewers, the road we are walking now is basically a road made of cobblestone. The shops here looks very strange. In this whole area, we can see numerous shops, restaurants, and also different historical architecture. Marina de Lagos here looks a lot like the old city. Marina de Lagos remains one of the list of travel enthusiasts. Right now I am speaking from Fortaleza da Ponta da Bandeira or the Bandeira Fort, built on the seashore This fort is at the top of the tourist list. Here, the enhancing view of this beach with the ancient fort and the sound of the sea will soothe your mind. Lagos has a steady flow of tourists throughout the year. However, autumn and spring are considered as the tourist season of this region. Spring in this region is from March to May and autumn mainly from the September to October. During the spring, the temperature in this region is between 15 to 25 degrees Celsius, which is a very good temperature for travel. Autumn and spring are considered peak seasons as the region enjoys a temperature climate during this time. So, if you want to have a comfortable and enjoyable trip, then you should visit Lagos during the travel season.